Hey everyone, I am obsessive about keeping my shower doors clean because I think clean shower doors make the whole bathroom look better. So, I have shared a recipe on the blog for years, Dawn and Vinegar shower door cleaner. I've had so many responses. I think almost everyone has great success with it. I just want to show you a slight tweak that I've made to the original recipe. I called for equal parts Dawn and equal parts white vinegar, but now I've made a little bit of a tweak and I'm just going to tell you why. You can still use the old method, but some people had a little bit of a problem with the solution getting too thick. So I am recommending for those people that you use 1 cup of vinegar and then just use maybe 1/4 of a cup less of Dawn. So you're just using a little bit less Dawn where the vinegar will cut the thickness. And there we go. And then I do share in the blog post that you do not need to substitute any other type of dishwasher liquid because Dawn has a unique chemical that is not found in other dishwashing liquids. So this is what you're going to want to use. Then to make it all meld for the first time, I just microwave it for about a minute. Then put it in the spray bottle. So it's that simple. And if you use this every day and you keep it in your shower, you shouldn't have any trouble with it getting too thick. So anyway, I hope this helps you keep your shower doors sparkling clean with this easy, simple solution from Family Savvy. Thank you so much for following, and you have a very blessed day.